Hello everyone, Alex E46 again. Today we're going to review these Turner pulleys and with the bell. Just got it today and we're going to install this today. We have instructions here. You don't need this if you already know how to do this, but just in case you don't, it comes with instructions here, manual. So these pulleys are made of aluminum, so I'm upgrading from the original plastic ones to these ones. And now, just to review this real quick, it comes with the wire pump, I believe the steering wheel pulley, and the alternator pulley. I'm not going to install this one, I'm not sure yet, but I will. The wire pump and the other one. Stay tuned, guys. So as you can see, I already took the fan clutch, the pulley. Now this is the water pump. It's old and I lose the bolts already here. It's not gonna come out like this, so obviously. And one thing I noticed was this. Yeah, it's broken already. This is really bad, and it's OEM BMW plastic pulley for the water pump. So we're going to replace it with this one right here, steering wheel power right here. It's located the one on the last bottom one. This is your alternator, like I said. I mean, this is the alternator right here, pulley. I'm not going to replace this one yet, just because it's like brand new. I don't want to mess up the alternator right now. I just change it, and this one is the power steering pulley. Definitely going to replace this one. So this is the water pump. And the belt, where's the belt? Oh, right here, the belt for this one. Yeah, so let's do this. So I just installed the water pump pulley, and well, it looks nice, but I'm not here for like good looking. I'm here for what this was made of. Now we're gonna take the steering wheel pulley. This one is really hard to take off. Once I take that one off, I'll show you guys how it looks, because I'm having trouble and I can't do both things at the same time. So yep. So I finally got my the pulley off from the steering wheel pump. And here it is. I don't see any cracks or broken or whatever. It looks fine, good shape, but I'm still going to replace it with the other one. So if you're having problems to take it off, just push it towards you, shake it or whatever, and it will come off. So now let's match the pieces. One thing I see here is this one. The new one is actually bigger than this one. That's about it. But they do match the holes, so I don't think I should be able to suffer from any problems. But yeah, let's put this one in the car, and I'll be back to you guys. Okay, well, my flashlight came on again. It's back. I don't know what's wrong with my phone. So anyways, this is the water pump, aluminum pulley, already installed. This one, your steering wheel pulley. Now, if you're wondering if you have to take your steering wheel pump out for this just to change the pulley, no, you don't. You just have, if it's hard, then just shake it and it will come out. But yeah, that's the new one. Now it's time to change the belt. I can't take the belt off because it has the AC belt on. So for this, loose it from here. You'll be able to take the AC belt off. So you could take the actually belt off from here, because you can see it's stock. So remove this, take this one off, put your new belt first, and then the AC belt after. And then I'll show you guys how to put the belt back. Okay, so the AC belt, it's off. The belt, it's off. Let me show you how it looks. It's I don't know, it looks like it's alright, but I mean, let's just change this, you know, since we have a new one. Now, what people do in these situations, they throw this one away. Honestly, I'm not gonna throw this one away just in case the other one, I don't know, something happens to it. I'll put this one on the trunk of my car, so in any case, whatever happens to the new one, I'll have a replacement, and I don't have to drive my car without a belt, because that would be dumb. So yeah. Okay, so AC belt on, main belt on. Now you can tie the bolts, water pump and steering wheel pump. This belt was really hard to put on. Obviously it's new. So to put the belt on, start from the bottom. It goes like this. Alright, instructions here in case you wanna pause the video or whatever. So yeah, stay tuned, you guys, for review.